Hi guys, I'm Kurt, the product designer here at Byway. And I'm going to be talking to you about the place finder of Byway Maps. So with the place finder, you can find this on Byway Maps. Enter the little search bar and then type in what you want to do, like canoeing, hiking, foraging, or even nights out. And then you just click go. And then we'll do all the magical stuff behind. We'll surface some really interesting places that you can go to, and then you can add them to your list of destinations. It's my role to put and piece all these grand ideas together in a very simple to use design solution. And along that journey, we discovered the new color that we didn't have in our brand guidelines, the color purple that we called Wonder. And we use this wondrous color in order to imply imaginary ideas, bring a sense of finding. When you open the map, you can see little purple sparks. Click add to your list of destinations, build a nice trip, and we will do all the routing for you. So I want to know what your interests are. Head to Byway Maps, try our new place finder, share, build your trip, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.